This 5-minute solution will show you how to like a Facebook page as a page on your Facebook. So if you have a Facebook page and now you want to like another page, just using your Facebook page, follow these easy steps. So first of all, you have to open the Facebook page profile. So go to the page profile and if you click on this like button, the like will be added from your personal Facebook account. But if you want to like this page using your Facebook page, then you have to click on this three dot, and here you will get this option, like as your page. So click on that, and now click on select a page, and now select your Facebook page. Click on submit, and that's it. This is how we can like a Facebook page using Facebook page. This is how we can like a page as a page on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.